Good evening, this is Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at the top stories of the day. Our first story comes from Assam, where a YouTuber has apologized after facing backlash over derogatory remarks about the state's history and traditions. The intervention by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma prompted swift action, leading to an FIR against the content creator. The incident has brought attention to the need for social media influencers to ensure responsible content creation, especially on sensitive cultural issues. In Delhi, a poster war between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party has escalated ahead of the assembly elections. Both parties are using creative but controversial tactics to gain an edge, with AAP targeting BJP leaders and the BJP hitting back with accusations of extravagance against Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The high-stakes polls will take place on 5th February, with the results announced on 8th February. Continuing with Delhi, the BJP has intensified its criticism of Arvind Kejriwal, referring to his residence as the Sheesh Mahal. This jibe is part of their campaign strategy to unseat the AAP, which is vying for a third consecutive term in office. Moving to Odisha, curfew has been imposed in parts of Balasore ahead of a railway land eviction drive. Authorities have enforced strict restrictions under Section 163 of the BNSS to maintain public safety, with exceptions only for medical emergencies. In international news, Chandra Arya's recent announcement to run for Prime Minister has sparked mixed reactions. While he has faced mockery over his language skills and accent, the debate has also brought forward conversations about leadership and diversity. Shifting to sports, cricketer Mayank Yadav is set to miss the upcoming series against England due to an injury. The setback follows a challenging IPL season for his Lucknow-based team, which finished 7th in the standings. In the entertainment world, the makers of Jai Hanuman are facing legal trouble over allegations of an offensive portrayal of Lord Hanuman. The controversy raises questions about creative liberties in depicting religious figures in cinema. For music fans, Honey Singh has announced his Millionaire India tour, with dates and cities now revealed. Known for his chart-topping hits, the tour marks a major comeback for the rapper after a hiatus. Tragic news from Ludhiana, where AAP MLA Gurpreet Gogi has died following a gunshot injury. Initial reports suggest accidental firing, but investigations are underway to clarify the circumstances of the incident. In political developments, Congress has criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi's remark, "I am human, not God," calling it a damage control move. The statement has sparked fresh political debate, adding to the ongoing discourse around his leadership. In the United States, devastating wildfires in Los Angeles have exposed significant failures in the water supply system. The crisis highlights the urgent need for infrastructure upgrades to tackle the growing threat of climate change-induced disasters. Finally, Assam has reported its first case of human metapneumovirus this season in a 10-month-old infant. The respiratory virus primarily affects young children and the elderly. Experts recommend preventive measures like hand washing and avoiding close contact with infected individuals to curb the spread. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates on Channel 6 Network. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.